be attractive, sometimes you don't need to do much. With 7 simple steps, I show you how you can be much more attractive instantly. I won't waste your time. Let's begin. Your teeth are visible whenever you talk or smile. It is essential to keep them clean and smelling good. White teeth can significantly increase your attractiveness. It shows that you take care of yourself and your health. I recommend you whiten your teeth every year with a dentist, or if you're broke like me, buy these strips. There are many varieties of it. Choose the one you want. I use a package every 5 to 6 months, and it works well for me. I also invested in an electric toothbrush and whitening toothpaste. I recommend you do the same, and your smile will be charming. Ladies love thick and masculine hands. More grip-focused exercises like rows, deadlifts, and pull-ups can help grow thicker and more masculine hands. A little bit of a calorie surplus, so your wrists will also look bigger. Your forearms are even more visible than your biceps. You can easily get bigger muscle with hanging exercises, reverse curls, and if you have the strength, try a plate pinch. Eyebrows frame the overall appearance of the face, which is why it's so important to groom them and maintain them regularly. Keep it thick. Don't shave it too thin. You don't want to look like this, but like a man. If you have hair here, pick a razor and shave it now. Your eyebrows can be angular, round, or flat. Try them out and choose which one is the best for your face shape. You can get a sharp jawline and a model to your face if you have a low body fat percentage, so your face is simply leaner, and do facial exercises to strengthen your frontal neck muscles and your jaw opening muscles. Another great way to have a sharp jawline is by mewing. I'm sure you've heard of it before, a technique in which the tongue is placed on the roof of the mouth, but you need to know that it takes time and you need to stay consistent with it. It is also important to breathe through your nose and not your mouth, so you won't get a double chin. You need to talk slowly and with a deep voice. You need to learn down talk. Just simply slow down the last word in your sentence and make it deeper. Trust me, it makes you more attractive instantly when you're talking to a girl. Belly breathing helps you access a deeper pitch. Try standing straight, breathing in deep through your nose and feeling your ribs expand. Relax your throat. It will help to talk with a deeper voice. Imagine you're a 5 out of 10. When you smell good, you level up to at least a 7 out of 10. Smell is too powerful. You trigger positive emotions on people around you. They can literally fall in love with you if you use the right fragrance. You need to smell good whenever you go out. I recommend you to have a perfume for every occasion. Make sure to actually try it yourself before buying it, because what suited someone may not work for you. Your nails also show people how you take care of yourself. You don't want to shake hands with someone who gets disgusted by your dirty, long nails. Don't bite your nails. You may get inflammation, so it can be more disgusting. Trim them every week and keep them clean so they will be strong and healthy. I hope you liked this video. If you did, subscribe to the channel and maybe I'll see you in the next video.